Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So before I begin telling you how to be an audiologist and speech therapist in India, let me tell you a little about myself. My name is Rashmi Atsarekar. I am a practicing audiologist and speech therapist. I practice in Mumbai. I have done my bachelor's degree from AYGNI Church, Mumbai, and now known as AYGNI SHD. And I've done my master's program from All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, Mysore. So before I tell you how to be an audiologist, let me tell you briefly about what audiology and speech therapy profession is like. So बहुत लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि MBBS मेडिकल फील्ड मतलब MBBS ही सब कुछ है. It's not like that. There are various other fields as well, BDS, physiotherapy, etc. And Bachelor's in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology is one such field. Of course, it's a paramedical field, but there's much more scope for this profession compared to many other courses out there. Also, there is a dearth of professionals in this area, so job opportunities bhi kafi hai. So let me tell you briefly about what audiology and speech therapy professional is, like how to know if this is the course for you and what is the job profile like. An audiologist works in very close relation with an ENT. A speech therapist works on building speech and language of an individual. For example, the speech therapist treats disorders like stuttering, cluttering, delayed speech, post-stroke language impairment known as aphasia, etc. An audiologist or a speech language pathologist works in various settings such as hospitals, special schools, various academic institutions, private setups, etc. To become an audiologist and a speech therapist, you need to pursue Bachelor's in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology. It is a 4-year program including 1 year of internship. To pursue this course, you need to appear for various entrance examinations. Those can be at college level or state level or national level. Both PCB and PCM students can appear for the program. After completing the bachelor's degree, you can start practicing as a professional, or you can even pursue further studies such as master's or PhD programs. Coming to how much does an audiologist and a speech therapist makes in a month. So the income definitely differs and depends on the type of qualification you have, the setup you're working, the experience you have, the city you're working, etc. In a place like Mumbai, a bachelor pass out would earn anywhere from 28,000 rupees to 33,000 rupees per month just as a fresher. In a master pass out in a city like Mumbai would earn anywhere from 40,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees, give or take, depending on the, again, as I said, on the above mentioned factors. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any doubts related to the profession, let me know in the comments down below. I will try to answer them. Thank you.